So I'm set up here in a hide, and this is where most of the pigeons are landing in the evenings, so I'm hoping to get a few. Yeah, let's see how it goes. They're flying overhead, and then if they're coming from this side, from the side that I'm exposed from, they are going away and not landing. So I might have to actually fix the side up as well, because as for now it's just a 3-side hide. It might have to become a 4-side, like fully enclosed. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Got the Walther here with me, and using H&N Barracuda, I think it's match pellets, 10.9 grain, so they're quite heavy, hard hitting pellets. Let's see how it goes. First shot of the day. It's about 40 minutes in my sitting in, and I was thinking the hide isn't working, but I'm really happy with this. First one down. Super happy with this shot. Let's keep going.